What if you can swap your opt-in page, you know, the page where you send traffic to and collect email addresses in exchange for lead magnets? Yeah, that page. What if you can swap that page with a custom GPT? Why? Because it's super cool. People love GPTs. They're hot. People like using them. People like building them. And if you do that, you will actually stand out from the rest of your competitors who are still sending people to the same old landing page that kind of looks like any other landing page. So in this video, I'm going to show you one of my custom GPTs that actually collects emails, uses a simple automation, and drops those emails directly into an automation in my autoresponder. And for those of you who don't know me, my name is Monica, and I help entrepreneurs enhance their businesses and offers with AI so they're more productive, more efficient, and of course, more profitable. Also, if you want to test drive my custom GPT, just drop me a line and I'll send you the link so you can see how awesome it is and of course how cool the whole experience is. So here is my Optin GPT. So basically I will send traffic here from ads, from organic, word of mouth. However, I'm going to send traffic here and it says get access to my social media post creator custom GPT. So I'm actually sending them to a custom GPT for them to get access to another custom GPT, because that kind of makes sense. Why would I send them to a landing page to get access to a custom GPT when I can send them to a custom GPT to get access to a custom GPT? Anyway, so all you need to do is click I want access to the social media post creator. And my GPT says, hey there, I'm super happy to share with you the social media post creator custom GPT. Please provide your email address below. And I can say, okay, it's hello@theexpertimpact.com. And then it goes and does its thing. It goes to an API and it's connected to make.com. I send confirm. And you can see it starts the action. It said, I talked to make.com and it says, thank you. The link to the custom GPT is on its way. In the meantime, check out my offer, which is super cool. Like I have a link here that people can click and check out my AI School of Business offer. But as you can see, so this is the email address I gave it, hello@theexpertimpact.com. Now, if I go into Active Campaign, I will see, here you go, hello@theexpertimpact.com. That just arrived. Now, if you do not have an autoresponder, or if you, for some reason, you don't want to send emails to the autoresponder, you can also send them to a Google Sheet and then take all these emails from a Google Sheet. And I have made the automation to post both, or actually to send both into my Active Campaign automation. But just to show you, I've also set it so it can send to a Google Sheet, which is right here. The first one was the one when I tested it, but this is the second one, hello@theexpertimpact.com. So you have two places to send emails depending on what you want to do. And at the same time, the experience is super, super cool. Okay, so now that you saw how cool my custom GPT is, the one that collects emails, I want to know the verdict. What do you think? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Would you use it as a customer? Would you go and sign up for something through a custom GPT? And would you use it for your own business? I'd love to know.